Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are diving into the world of high performance luxury SUVs with the highly anticipated 2024 Ferrari Purosangue. As Ferrari's first ever SUV, the Purosangue promises to deliver the brand's legacy, performance and luxury in a new versatile form. So buckle up as we explore everything this remarkable vehicle has to offer. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button. The 2024 Ferrari Purosangue is a groundbreaking SUV that combines Ferrari's iconic design, unmatched performance, and luxury comfort. It's built for those who desire the thrilling of driving a Ferrari with a practicality and versatility of an SUV. The Purosangue is poised to redefine the luxury SUV segment. First, let's talk about its design and its build. The Purosangue features a sleek and aerodynamic design that embodies Ferrari's signature style. The front end is dominated by a bold grille and sharp LED headlights, giving it an aggressive and dynamic look. The sculpted lines and muscular fenders emphasizes its sporty nature, while the sloping roof line adds a touch of elegance. Inside, the Purosangue offers a luxurious and spacious cabin with high-quality materials and cutting-edge technology. The driver-centric cockpit features a digital instrument cluster and a central touchscreen for entertainment. The seats are upholstered in a premium leather, providing exceptional comfort and support. Rear passengers are treated to ample legroom and redefined environment, making the Purosangue perfect for long journeys. Next up, performance and its power. At the heart of the 2024 Purosangue is a powerful V12 engine, producing an impressive 715 horsepower and 528 pounds of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, delivering smooth and rapid gear changes. The Purosangue can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs on the market. The Purosangue's performance is further enhanced by its advanced all-wheel drive system, which provides excellent traction and stability in all conditions. The adaptive suspension system, featuring Ferrari's latest technology, ensures a comfortable ride and sharp handling, whether you are on navigating city streets or tackling winding roads. The Purosangue offers an exhilarating driving experience. Now let's talk about its smart connectivity. The Purosangue keeps you connected with Ferrari's advanced connectivity features, including a mobile app that allows you to monitor your vehicle status, control certain functions remotely, and receive real-time updates. The app also provides access to navigation and other services, ensuring you that you have everything you need at your fingertips. Okay, now let's talk about its driving experience. The Purosangue delivers a driving experience that both exhilarating and redefined. The V12 engine roars to life with a distinctive and intoxicating sound that will thrill any enthusiast. The acceleration is rapid and seamless, and the advanced suspension system ensures that the Purosangue remains composed and comfortable even at high speeds. The steering is precise and responsive, providing excellent feedback and making you feel connected to the road. The all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension allow the Purosangue to tackle a variety of driving conditions with ease, from smooth highways to twisty mountain roads. Whether you are driving on in comfort mode or pushing the car to its limits, the Purosangue offers a versatile and engaging driving experience. Well, in conclusion, the 2024 Ferrari Purosangue is a remarkable blend of performance, luxury, and versatility. As Ferrari's first SUV, it offers the best of both worlds, combining the brand's legendary driving dynamics with a practicality and comfort of a SUV. It's the ultimate choice for those who demand the highest level performance and luxury in their daily drives. With its powerful V12 engine, with advanced technology and luxurious interior, the Purosangue is ready to set the new standards in the luxury SUV market. It's not just an SUV, it's a Ferrari, and it's poised to deliver an unforgettable driving experience. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell button. So see you next time, and bye.